Okay, so I got this comment on one of my videos, and as soon as I saw the comment, I was like, say less. I was too excited to make a video explaining the definition of the 4 words that I had posted. Now, the question I asked was, what is a word for being able to use both hands with equal ease? The answer was ambidextrous. Most of us got it. Now, the word choices were dexterous, ambidextrous, ambivalent, and dexterity, not in that order. Now we could go right on ahead and eliminate dexterous and dexterity. Why? If we knew that ambi meant both, then we'd know A and D are not the answer. And that's part of what I'm going to get into today. Today I'm going to teach you how to fish, and I'm also going to give you a fish. So the fish I'm giving you is the definition of all 4 words. Dexterity is skill with the hands and body. An example sentence might be, a surgeon has to have good dexterity in order to perform delicate operations. Then there is ambivalent. Ambivalent means you're having mixed emotions. Ambivalent is having mixed feelings towards something. So an example sentence might be, she was feeling ambivalent about her new job. She was excited for the salary, but daunted by the commute. That's ambivalent. And then there was ambidextrous, which was the correct answer. Ambidextrous is having skill with both hands, or being able to use left hand and right hand equally well. And in the example I gave on the other platform, my niece actually writes with both hands. When she was a baby or when she started writing, we had no idea which one was her stronger hand. As she got older, we realized she would be able to use both hands equally well. So she was ambidextrous. And then there is dexterous. Dexterous, again, is the adjective form of the verb dexterity. You can have dexterity because it's a noun, but if you have good dexterity, you could say you're very dexterous or you're dexterous. So dexterous is the adjective, meaning being skillful with your hands and body, not just your hands. Now, back to ambi. So some other words that have ambi include ambiguous, which I put frequently in my posts because ambiguous would mean it has multiple meanings or 2 different meanings or conflicting meanings. In this case, we're talking about having 2 meanings. So I usually post sentences that are ambiguous because you're not quite sure exactly what it means. And then there is ambilateral, meaning something affecting both sides. So if you had a stroke and for some reason it affected both sides, you would say you were affected ambilaterally by your stroke. There's also ambivert. Ambivert means you're both an introvert and an extrovert. And in this list, ambience is the only word that has the other meaning of ambi, which means around. So ambience, this restaurant has amazing music, the temperature is great, it has a lovely ambience. So that was ambi. Again, ambi means both, or ambi can also mean around, as in ambience. Now, what I want you to take away from this video is the definition of not only the 4 words I gave, but ambi. If you see ambi at the beginning of a word, know that it's the Latin root that means both. So if you see another multiple choice question with ambidextrous, ambivalent, dexterous, and dexterity, and it's asking about 2 things, you know the answer will be the word that starts with ambi. I am Gail, Miss Green to my students, and I thank you for watching.